6 tried and true kitchen hacks that actually work. Hack 1. Use a larger piece of eggshell to scoop up those pesky little fragments. Hack 2. Use a spoon to skin a kiwi. Slide a spoon under the skin, and run it around the kiwi. Hack 3. Quickly soften butter by chopping it into smaller pieces. Hack 4. Bring eggs to room temperature quickly by placing them in a bowl and covering them with very warm water. Hack 5. Use an ice cream scoop to evenly portion out muffin batter. Hack 6. Cover the potatoes with cold water to prevent them from browning. What are your favorite kitchen hacks? Do share in the comments.